Hello everyone. This is part 2 of making my easy obby. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, pretend it's an easy obby. Okay, where is it? It's called Not Easy Obby lol. Now let's see what we did last time. Okay. Oh yes, I remember this. Oh. I'm gonna work on the script. I wanna see if this works. Oh. Please. Okay, I'm gonna just try. Bruh. Okay, I suck. But I wanna see if I can get through this though. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, it's really hard, but I think I can do it. Now, I'm gonna get a part in there. I'm gonna move this here. Now, I want to show you how some also tips how to do these. So you wanna like you see these numbers, you can like type in say 2 and they'll move like that. Really cool. Like that. So let's say I press there, okay? If I press F, okay? And when I press this, select it. Press F and you'll get teleported there. Control Z, just redo. Control Y is, wait, no. Control Z is undo, and then Control Y is redo. So I Control Z, I hold both of them, and I Control Y, it redo, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna make some stairs. Now what color should it be? Let's make it yellow, but a bit popping. Not too popping. Now let's rotate it. Wait, do I need to? Meh. I don't think so. By the way, if you're watching this, you're cool because barely anyone watches it. Now I Control D and it'll just duplicate it. I'm gonna work on the system of like how to like touch it. It's like something where you touch it and then like teleport it to you. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna get this. Control D. Let's move. But this is not like what happened there. It's like stairs. So I'll make it. Yeah, let's actually make it smaller. Okay, let me see if I can try it. Oh, I forgot to anchor. To anchor so like it won't fall. So wait. It's uneven. I think it looks uneven. Okay, play here. Oh my, bruh. Wait, I want to anchor it. Okay. Finally. Then I'm gonna make that a bit smaller, I think. This. Scale. And then I'm gonna Control D. Move it. Oh wait, actually, do I want it like a stair? Or something like this? Wait, this might, wait. I'm gonna delete this. I'm just gonna copy this and not move it down. This might be really good. Yeah, I told you I was gonna leave. But it doesn't look like it. Oh. I think it works. I hope it works. But it's supposed to be something like this. Well, yeah, like there. Yes. This is my best obby I ever created. Probably because I never even made an obby. Now I'm just gonna keep copy and paste it. And Control D. Okay, enough of their misery. Now let's Control D. I want it to make it go up, you know? So let me see. Yeah, they can make that jump. Now let's see. I'll just be back. Okay, sorry about that. I accidentally deleted this, so you just want to go to View, press Toolbox if you accidentally. Properties is like this thing, you know? Put it there. I'm gonna make a door. Like, and you know, like those things where you have them move around? I'm gonna make them too, so I'm gonna get in a part. I'm gonna, oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees, like this. And, like, wait. Yup, I don't need to change the color, I think. Is that good enough? Wait. I don't know why I said like that. Yeah. And I'm gonna get a spear, make it smaller, make it yellow for the door handle. It's supposed to be here, right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna do this. To do it, you just wanna hold it and then drag it like that. Like you drag it. Now it's all selected. As you can see, it's blue. You can't see it because it's far away. But now you want to go here. So you want to go to, wait, can collide? Wait, where's can collide? Oh, and I forgot to anchor it. Okay, collision. You want to go to collision? It'll say like a check mark. You want to it should have a check mark so you can go through it. Oh wow, wait, I didn't know it was this small. But let's make it bigger. That good enough? Wait, let me see. Let's see. Yep, that's good enough. Now I'm gonna do doors where if it like kills you, it's like a memory game. It'll like stack up kills. It's like, this is the first door. Obviously it's gonna be cracked. Now I'm gonna make 2 more doors where you have to go through one. No, wait, let me show you how it'll like work. Like we'll make one here and then another one here. So let's say like there's a shark in here. You have to go through here, and then there's gonna be 3 more, and I'll continue up to 5. It's like a memory game. Now I'm gonna add in a part. Where is it? Oh. Boom. Just like this. I don't know why I'm saying boom, but I don't know. Oh, it won't drag. Wait. Change the color to gray. Yeah. Oh, wait. This is called Z fighting. It'll look like this because they're together. You don't want that. So I'm anchoring it. This thing. Move it down, and it's supposed to be like this. Wait. You shouldn't Z fight. But yeah. Wait. Why do I have this? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna add a kill brick. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna add a kill brick like there, so you like when you step on it, it has to be, bad. This might take a while, so time lapse it. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. It might take a while. So, yeah. Also, to make it transparent, you want to go to properties. You want to go to transparency. It'll be 1, but you want to drag it all the way so it'll be invisible. But it'll still be able to kill you. Like this. Let's see. Oh no! It was invisible. That's why. Okay. Finally, I'm done. Just took me, I think, 30 minutes just to do this. Now, while I was doing this, I thought this might be too easy if I just put 1 kill brick. So, I put like 2 kill bricks here. And then I put 3 here. So let me try. Might beat it because, I'm the one who made it. So I go here. I go here, right? I go here. Can I go here? Oh, I forgot. But yeah. So if you can like what to do next. But now I'm gonna put the stair. Please, and I'll be oh wait, I'm in caps lock. This one, oh wait, no. This one I've been trying to find. In our last episode, I tried to find this, right? Yeah, I remember. I've been, like, I didn't know where this was. Did you see this last episode? Like, if you did, like, how? Like, I didn't see it. How did you? That's cool. Like, wait. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, I'm gonna put the checkpoint. Control D. And, wait, we're not done, guys. We're not done. And boom, we did it. Thank you for watching. The, part 3 will be probably next week. So thank you for watching. Bye.